It looks like this is the grinding part, but it's actually that hard.
Okay, hello. So I am making just a short little video showing Lincoln and Toby how to make homemade hamburger just out of steak and some beef steak and bacon fat. So
I like to grind some of it.
I have a steak here
That has been chopped up.
that has been chopped up. Correct. And I have some bacon fat, which is cold. You want everything cold when you're grinding. And so we are going to start the process.
With the chopped up pieces.
And we put some of that fat in.
Which looks disgusting.
It does look disgusting.
It looks like mashed potatoes at the top, but the bottom is more disgusting.
It looks like poop at the bottom.
Ew.
It looks like coffee at the bottom.
So what I'm going to do is just put a chunk of this in here.
Yeah.
What you want is
Like mashed potatoes.
25%.
You could do an April Fool's joke on somebody with that and be like, "Here's some mashed potatoes," and they're like, "This is nothing
there
like
you
mashed
go.
potatoes."
So what you want is 25% fat and 75% protein. And so
Do you mix it?
it will get mixed.
It'll
Oh.
get chopped.
You want to go ahead and start grinding it?
Okay.
After
Wait, which way? This way or that one? So,
Up and over.
Like this?
Yep. You'll see it start going through. And
Right.
I'm just getting like little tiny tools for when we do live off grid. Okay, let's have Toby come over and try. Come on over, Tobes.
If we did have an electric one, that would be great.
Oh yeah. But it's kind of fun, but then you don't have the fun of grinding it yourself. The machine's grinding it.
Right. Whoa, now it's getting to the chunky part. See?
What do you think of that? We're
That's
making
cool.
we're making a hamburger patty, guys. There, and Lincoln is going to make his hamburger patty. I'm going to add some seasonings to it while he mixes it and makes the patty up.
So
Go ahead,
I
buddy.
just squish it around
Sure.
in there.
Yeah, it's really simple. Really simple.
But you would have to flatten it out at the end.
Okay.
So like this.
Get in there. Get your hands in there. We'll get them washed with some dish soap to get the grease off. Are you mixing it or are you just squeezing it?
I'm mixing it. I'm trying to mix it. This feels very weird.
Mm-hmm.
And very cold.
Want some pepper? Gotta add a little bit.
I mean, last time I had this, it had pepper in it because the first time we were here, we had one of these.
Oh no, those were store-bought hamburger patties.
Oh, I thought once I
No,
found out, I thought you had a grinder for it. I thought you had
no,
made it.
not those ones.
I know. I thought they were store bought at first because they looked store bought.
Mm-hmm.
But after I saw the grinder, I was like, how did they make them look so store bought? That one was
No,
homemade.
those ones were store-bought. But those ones are also all gone.
Squishing
Flatten it down. Yeah.
Okay. That's the easy part. Well, mixing is also easy. It's sometimes hard. Okay, this looks like a giant patty.
Mm-hmm.
Wowza.
That's crazy though. It's one steak, huh? One steak and a little bit of
Bacon fat.
bacon fat.
And then you got a perfect homemade one. Flattening. I bet if I completely flatten this, it will just cover the entire plate.
All right, let's show the camera. Let's go up close. Go ahead, the water's going, buddy. All right, Lincoln made his homemade hamburger patty. Ta-da! Here is our homemade hamburger from beef and bacon grease.
with part of it taken off because Toby's gonna have something.
We took some
of
off
it.
so Toby can try it.
After he finishes his stuff, though.
So, Lincoln and Toby, when we had the homemade hamburger today that you guys made together, grinding, did you like the taste of it?
Yes, it was really good.
You liked it,
It was
Lincoln?
good with or without salt or ketchup.
Oh, nice. And you didn't like it
It's
at all,
true.
Toby?
He didn't like it with...
No,
well,
let
with
Toby
when-
answer, hun. Let him answer.
I only liked it with the ketchup.
Yeah,
You
well,
never
that's
even
how you
tried
are
it
with
with salt.
everything, so that's fine. I understand
You
that.
never even... I do like it more homemade because you actually get to...
Add your
you're
own stuff
involved
to it.
more. Yeah. You
Yeah.
can add your own ingredients, do
Mhm.
experiments, stuff like that.
Yep.
Unlike if we hadn't grinded it and added those seasonings and stuff. Like, even if we added the seasonings without grinding it, like just little chops of it and cooked it, I don't think I would have liked it as much as grinded.
Yeah. You can add your own stuff. You can add like cheese or whatever to it.
Yeah. And make a cheeseburger.